In order to use magnification on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, first of all we need to open settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down in order to find accessibility. Then in here go to vision enhancements and you should be able to find magnification if you scroll down in here. Now in this place we can enable the magnification shortcut. In this case I'm gonna use accessibility button and we can tap OK. Now we have the accessibility button in here in the bottom right corner, and as you can see, if I tap on the accessibility button I can actually turn on and off the magnification. Now in here we can drag with 2 fingers around, or by grabbing by this button that we have in the bottom right side. We should be able to zoom in and zoom out within the area with the pinching gesture, and you can also scroll down just with 1 finger if needed. And that's pretty much it. Now over here we have some additional information and some settings as well that you can go through if needed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.